What we are going to do is the future, and that can be expressed in different ways. In English, there are many ways of talking about events in the future. Many students find it difficult to decide which form to use in a particular situation. Most students know that will and going to are used to talk about future time in English. However, we also use the present progressive be plus ing and the present simple tense. When you are predicting what you think will happen in the future, you should choose the form based on how certain you are. If you are not too sure, it is fine to use will. But if you are nearly certain about something, it's best to use going to.
I think I will go shopping tomorrow. You rest and I will do the washing up. I hope she will pass the test tomorrow. Prem won't be home in time for dinner tonight. Next year, Mrs. Radha is going to teach in a school in England. Shweta is going to help me in the garden tomorrow. The show starts promptly at 7:30 p.m. The new museum doesn't open until next week. This weekend, I am playing tennis for the school. We are staying with our grandparents next week.